Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Want to give a huge shout out to iBlason for sending me the dual layer protection case for my Google Pixel 8 Pro. You're going to have a built-in screen protector with fingerprint ID, kickstand, and holster. You have some instructions here that I will say, please read carefully. Read everything. Instruction manual. Please make sure the phone has been fingerprinted before installation. I will go through that process with all of you. But yes, read all of this. Okay? And you have the installation guide on how to apply the frame to the back part of the case. So you're going to watch everything I do in this video, but it's always good to read that information. It really, really is, especially for those of you that have never used this type of case. Here's the holster. You got the 360 clip, which is really cool. It's not something that I use, but a lot of you do. Here is the ArmorBox case. Yeah, that is nice. Hard shell back, plastic back. Got some TPU material all the way around the case itself. You got this ridge traction grip area on both sides. So definitely a lot of grip. You have to do your part, and that's hold on with a very firm hold. A lot of corner protection. Just look at that. That is really, really nice. ArmorBox. And you got the kickstand. Very nice. We'll look at that here in just a moment. All right, so what you need to do is get to the bottom right-hand corner, a little gap right there. It's where you're going to stick your thumbnail and pull the frame away from the back part of the case. The frame of the case is hard plastic as well. And you're going to take this off from the front, and you're going to read all that. Okay, and we're going to make sure that the front of my Google Pixel 8 is nice and clean. So on the inside, you have this protective film here, which we're going to peel away. You have another piece of film here with adhesive between this piece of film and the built-in screen protector. That adhesive is going to stick exactly where your fingerprint reader is on your Google Pixel 8 Pro. There are times that you have to reset your fingerprint, but sometimes you don't. But just so you know, okay? The inside is nice and clean. One more wipe down. I do have a Rinky tempered glass screen protector on the flat display of my Google Pixel 8 Pro that I'm not going to remove. And you're going to see how the fingerprint ID with the built-in screen protector and the tempered glass screen protector is still going to allow you to utilize your fingerprint reader without any issues. So let's go ahead and remove this. And you can see that circular area there. Do not touch that with your finger because there's adhesive there, which is going to adhere. It's going to stick to that area. Okay, you want to rub down on the built-in screen protector over that area so it sticks really nicely to my tempered glass screen protector and the display. Okay, the back part of the case. Start at the bottom, work your way up. Bring the back together with the frame. Make sure there's no gaps. Just like that. And I can feel that grip. So right out of the gate, you can see that we have a lot of lip protecting the display. My tempered glass screen protector, the built-in screen protector, all of that lip, you're good to go. You have this recessed area here for the combo earpiece and speaker, a little cutout there for the front-facing camera. Up top, a cutout for the top mic. At the bottom, you got your speaker cutout, your mic cutout, and you have a flap protecting the USB Type-C charging port from dirt, dust, and lint. Especially for those of you that work in a rugged environment. And again, look at all of that corner protection. Oh, you got a couple little cutouts there if you want to sport a lanyard. Sweet. On the back of the ArmorBox case, you can see that we have a lot of protection with that hard shell back, got that kickstand, got this carbon fiber design. That looks really nice above that camera area. And we have some more carbon fiber design right down in here. Gives it that little bit of extra some. Huge cutout for the camera so you can take great quality pictures and shoot great quality video. And yet still get the protection you need for those cameras. Got some depth going on there, some lip. Flat surface a little bit rough, you're good to go. Anything rougher than that, I would probably sport a camera glass protector, but you do have a lot of protection. I'm just saying, if you're going to be out in a rugged environment, maybe you're hiking, you're going to set it down on a rock. I don't know, man. All I'm saying is that there could be something that gets to that camera area, even though iBlason's giving you a lot of protection. So yeah, I would definitely sport a glass protector to make sure nothing happens to those all-important cameras. With all the lip on the front, flat surface a little bit rough. You got that built-in screen protector. I got the tempered glass screen protector. Even if it's really rough, the only thing that's going to get damaged is that built-in screen protector. But there is a lot of lip, a lot of depth. Got the lip, got the depth, a lot of protection back here, corner protection, power buttons, as far as the volume rocker, all work. Cutouts are precise. Got some depth there to keep dirt, dust, and lint out of those areas as well. But yeah, I'm digging that flap because I really do not want anything to happen to that USB Type-C charging port area. All right, let's get to the kickstand. Bam. Let's go over to YouTube. Check out some Roy Flores.
You have to separate yourself from the pack. You have to figure out what to do as far as being innovative, changing your design, changing everything that you can think of to separate yourself from Apple and Samsung, and then of course Google, OnePlus, etc., etc.
Portrait mode.
Market here in the United States is
landscape mode.
And nothing has tried to do that with.
All right. Huge shout out to Ray Flores. He's got a lot going on over there on his channel. So check him out if you can. It is now time for the final test. Wireless charging. Boom. Just like that. Bam. And with that, folks, if you have any questions, please ask down below in the comment section. The information to purchase the ArmorBox case from iBlason down below in the description area. If you have the Google Pixel 8, this case is also available for that specific smartphone. I'll also leave a link for the tempered glass screen protector as well in the description area. So yeah, if you don't have the 8 Pro, you have the 8, you can bring this case in and get the same protection, the same tough look, the protection, which is the most important area, but it looks great as well. All the buttons are going to work. All the cutouts are precise. Got a lot of corner protection. There's just a lot going on here to make you feel good about taking out your 8 Pro or 8 out of your pocket, purse, or bag and start using it day in and day out with this type of protection. iBlason, bam, once again, huge shout out to all of you for watching. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day. Peace. I'm out.